Well, I had another birthday gift. It was in a bag. And you're not gonna believe what I just got. The Lego Technic presents to you Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut with 801 pieces. Yeah. It's got V8 twin turbo engine, top speed 310 miles per hour, 500 kilometers per hour, 1600 horsepower, and 9-speed light-speed transmission. Do you know why it's an Absolute? Because there's no spoiler. Who needs a spoiler when you have this car? Yep. Look at the engine. And yeah, you can also rotate it. That's cool. Yep. We're gonna try to build it.